Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up international shipping on Shopify. First thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. Now I'm going to use this store as an example. Alright, now I'm going to click on products and I'm going to click on one of my products here. As you can see, I don't offer here international shipping, but at the end of this video, people from anywhere in the world, you will be able to buy from this store. Now what you guys need to do to set up international shipping on your Shopify, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on shipping and delivery. And after, guys, you click on shipping and delivery, you want to click on general all products. You need to scroll down. By the way, here you will see the list of your products. Just scroll down a little bit and click on go to market. After, guys, you click on go to market, what you guys need to do, as you can see, you want to click on add market here in the top right, and here you need to name the market. It doesn't matter what name you type here, the customers will not be able to see this. So I would say countries in market, for example. Now here you need to select all the countries that you would like to ship to. You can select all countries in Africa, you can select only a few countries in Africa, you can select, for example, Australia, you can select like Asia countries, all the countries in Asia, you can do that. Or you can select all countries in Europe. You can do that by checking Europe and it will select all countries in Europe. If you want, you can just select a few countries in Europe that you like to ship to. After you are finished, click on add market. Wait a few seconds. Now after, guys, you click on add market, what you guys need to do now, you want to go back, just click on this X, okay, and then click on settings, and then you want to click again on shipping and delivery. Click on general all products, the same thing. Scroll down, okay, and here where it says not covered by your shipping zones, here you will see all the countries that you have selected. Click on create zone, and here you need to name the zone, for example, countries in market I ship to. Just an example, you don't need to type. If you want, you can type only countries or something there. After that, you want to select here all the countries where it says countries in market that you have selected in the market. Check all this and then click on done, and then click on add the rate, the shipping price, okay, the shipping rate, the customer rate name, for example, standard, and custom delivery description optional. So you can add here a delivery description, for example, made the order or ships next day. The price, I would like to charge 200 dirhams, which is $20. After you are finished, you want to click on done. Now after you click, guys, on done, you want to click on save in the top right. Now to activate international shipping, you just need to go back, just wait a few seconds. To activate now international shipping, just scroll down and click on go to markets, and this is the countries that I have selected. As you can see, this is the name I named the market, countries in the market. Just click on it, click on this inactive. So to activate it, just click on inactive and then click on active. Make sure you click on save. Now before, people are not able to buy from different countries like in Australia, Europe. Now I'm going to reload this page, and as you can see, people now can select any country here. I selected 76 countries, and people can now buy from this store from any country. As you can see, I'm going to select Spain. As you can see, people from Spain, they are able, guys, to buy from this store. So hopefully this video guys helped you. If it does, leave a like. If you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Drop a like on this video and see you guys in the next video.